Okay, I already had breakfast. 5.50 for coffee, orange juice, and a croissant. I mean, I might have to go get another serving. 5.50 for coffee, orange juice, and croissant. And then, I mean, that's not bad though. 5.50. Or I could just get another coffee. And then, so now, what did I do? I hooked up my Raspberry Pi into one outlet, and I'm charging up my portable charger in the other one. Now, the Raspberry Pi, maybe I should just leave that here, and because I don't use it that much, and like put a little note that says, hey, this is for, it's a public access digital nomad Raspberry Pi that you can do with whatever you want. And then, leave a little paper instruction kit that says how to connect to the Wi-Fi, how to SSH in, and maybe if I, really took my time, I could set it up completely and then distribute keys for people to use so that if you're on the official digital nomad list, you could connect to it and then just erase it. Oh no, I could use Docker containers or something and say just keep the host operating system clean, don't mess around with that, and then use Docker to do whatever you want, and then when you're done, please clean up your mess so that the next person can do whatever they want to do. But why should I do that? It's my Raspberry Pi. And it's really tiny. I mean, you can see it's about the same size as my small portable charging device, and it probably weighs less. It's similar. And the power supply is similar. It's quite portable. And so now I'm greedy. I've got two computers with me, and I'm on the road thinking, hey, maybe I should just not even go back at all. I should just abandon the rest of my property in Vienna and just why did I even pay rent for what? Where are we? March. Yeah, no, I already paid March rent. And my landlord has 2,500 euros. I should just cancel my lease now and call him up and say, hey, I'm done. I'm actually left already. Someone's occupying my apartment for the month. And then can you find another person to take over my lease within a month? And then, be nice to me because I've been having financial difficulties, and then reimburse me my deposit. And then I can be, mean to my friends because they wanted to take it over. And I'd say, well, no, I'm left. I'm going to stay in Italy. I'm going to do everything I can to protect myself and get what I want, which is a safe place to live in a country where I'm a citizen. I mean, that's not greedy. That's not a bad idea. I mean, I have which one is a good one that is fair to everyone, and then what's fair? I don't know.